So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to create mockups here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So what I mean by mockups is like, for example, if you wanted to make like a t-shirt mockup or a mug mockup and you want to have a demonstration or an example on what it could look like, I'll show you exactly how in this video. So once Canva's opened up, go to the top left, press on Elements. Once you're on the Elements tab, simply just scroll down. So if you're at the top, for instance, simply just scroll down until you come across the option right here of mockup. So press on See All. So for example, if you wanted to have a background for a phone, I can press on Phone right here. That's your example, just like that. If you wanted, apparel, for instance, I can press this T-shirt, just like this. There you go, right in front. If I wanted to do, what's one more example? How about this outdoor TV as an example right there? Those are your three examples. So if you have a t-shirt mock-up, an iPhone mock-up, and maybe a TV show, what I can do next here actually is go to the top. I will press on See Elements, then go to Photos. And how about I just have sports as an example? So here's an example right here of this one right here. There's this right here. What you can actually do is you could put that inside the mockup right there. It's going to take a couple seconds to load. As you can tell, that's what it would look like. You can put it in the phone right here. A couple seconds to load. There you go. One last one on the t-shirt right here. A couple seconds to load. And there you guys go. That is the example of the mockups that you can create here on Canva. So very straightforward, very simple. That is how to create mockups on Canva using a Canva desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.